Okay, so here's the way this game goes.
Okay.
And people will have these that they can just put on a table. They'll have a card with those on it, and they'll
In
put
other
it
words,
on.
you'll have a card at
Yeah.
one end for 10%, the other end 90%, and in the middle
Yeah,
50%.
right.
Okay.
Now here's the way we play this game, and
Okay.
we would play it competitively, but we're not going to play it
Okay.
competitively.
Good.
So what we're going to do is we pick a card. This
Okay.
is face down, and we pick a card, and our first card is 1/4. And so we're going to have to put this card, if we're on a table, we put it physically. We have to attach it to one of these things on one side or the other, and it has to make sense.
Okay.
So 1/4,
Is it closer to 10% or 50%? Is this what you're asking?
well, we sort of are, and then we're going to pick another one, and what's going to happen is that we're not, if we attach this over here,
Mhm.
we won't be able to put anything in between those two, because they're locked.
Oh.
All right?
So if we put it close to 50%,
We're going to
there's
be,
nothing between 25% and 50%.
yeah, then if we get something between those, we'll be in trouble.
Oh.
So I think we should put it over here.
Well, 25%.
1/4 is 25%, right?
And halfway between 10% and 50% is 20,
Well,
40, 30%. Yeah, I guess
yeah,
so.
okay. Okay, so let's put that right here, and should we attach it, or do you want to just write 1/4 on
I
here?
can write one for
Why
it.
don't you write 1/4, and we'll pretend that
Right
we
here,
attached
right
it.
here.
Yeah, with a box around it.
Now do 1/4 the fraction.
Yeah. With a box around it. Well, it should actually be right attached to that. Pretend it's attached. Right, okay?
Okay.
So, all right, now, our next card, 1/3.
33.
Well, how do you know it's 33?
Well, when you think about dividing 100 in 3 equal parts, the closest you can come is 33.
Yeah?
33, 33, 33 is 99.
Ah, okay.
That's the way I usually think about it.
Oh, so because this is one of the three
Three
equal parts
parts.
of 100.
Right.
Uh-huh.
So
And
33, 33, and 33 are
And so
3
then
equal
we
parts.
have one left.
Little piece left.
One whole thing, one whole 100th left.
Yeah. Which you, I guess, can divide into thirds.
Yeah? So
So
33 and 1/3.
Third.
Okay. So where should we put that? Let's,
Well, it's certainly greater than 1/4,
yeah, and it's less than,
50%. It has to go,
well, we could attach it over there, or we could attach
Oh.
it over here, whichever one you think.
if I were doing it, I would attach it here.
Okay, all right. So pretend you're attaching it by making one of those.
Okay, so I'm going to draw another box, and I'm going to put 1/3.
So I have 10%, and attached to it is 1/4, and attached to that is 1/3.
Yeah, and then, yeah, we have,
So that means anything in between 1/4 and 1/3, we can't use.
right.
Okay.
So,
What's next?
let's do a half, and the half, we'll just put right, yes, because it's the
Okay.
same as 50%.
So shall I put the box underneath it?
Yeah, I guess we should do that.
1 out of 2 equal parts.
Right. Okay. And now we have a 1/5.
So what are you going to do with that one?
Well, a 1/5. What's a 1/5 of 100? One of the 5 equal parts of 100.
Well, if I think about money, a 1/5 is 2 dimes, 20 cents.
20 cents, because
Right.
20 and 20 and 20 and 20 and 20 make 100. Yeah.
Right.
5 20s.
Right.
So that's 20%. Uh-oh. 1/4 is 25%, and we can't put anything there. It's attached, and we can't do
Use
this.
a 1/5.
If we were playing competitively,
I would
whoever.
have lost a turn, or
Yeah.
you would have lost a turn.
Right, yeah.
Okay?
Okay. So now we're going to play the last one, and you keep on playing this until you can't go anymore.
Okay.
On 3/5.
Well, we know 1/5 is 20%. So 3/5 would be 3/20%. And 3/20 is 60.
Yeah,
So we don't have to worry about this,
yeah,
because it's larger than 50%.
right.
So can I attach it to the
Yeah,
50?
why don't you do that?
Okay.
So that's 3/5, which is 60%.
3 out of 5.
Right. Okay. So it's important that we're connecting the percents and the fractions that we already know, and that we're connecting this idea of 100, just the 100, the 10 by 10 array.
Rays.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
It all connects.
That it all connects. Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
Interesting game,
Yeah,
Barbara.
and not hard, is
No.
it? Percents.
No.
Yeah.
Fractions, knowing fractions really helps.
Yeah.